Right angle plug head. Move your dryer even closer to the wall, without worrying about crushing the cord. EYELET connectors. These EYELET connectors go over the screws for a snug fit and seamless connection to the dryer during installation. 125/250 volts. Generally works with any electric dryer that takes a 3-prong dryer cord with 3 10-gauge wires. Look for the 125/250 rating in your appliance manual. UL listed. This cord is UL, Underwriters Laboratories, listed, so you know it has been thoroughly tested to ensure your safety. 5-year limited warranty. If your cord isn't in perfect working condition for at least 5 years, we'll send you a new one free of charge. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect and easy fit. This item showed up quickly and I could feel the durability of it. This has a very simple 3-wire assembly that was a simple attach in place and screw on. It has performed very well as a replacement on our dryer for over a month now with no issues.